Hey everybody, Roland here. If there's one thing that keeps me up at night, besides a new GPU launch, it's the security of my data. In today's digital landscape, businesses face more cyber threats than ever before. Thankfully, that's where our friends at Impress IT Solutions come in. They're like the cybersecurity ninjas of the digital world. Let's dive into Impress IT Solutions' security stack to see how they can protect your business from even the most determined cyber threats. All right, first up, let's talk endpoints. Your computers, laptops, smartphones, these are all potential entry points for hackers. Impress IT Solutions offers robust endpoint security with next-gen antivirus software that uses behavioral threat detection. If something slips through, automatic remediation neutralizes the threat before it can do any real damage. Plus, they provide user education and training to make your employees your first line of defense. Your network is like the nervous system of your business. It's how everything connects. Impress IT Solutions Network Security Solutions build a fortress around your data with advanced traffic filtering and real-time monitoring. Network segmentation isolates critical systems and data. It's like having a security guard who not only checks IDs at the door, but also patrols the perimeter. Most of us spend way too much time in our inboxes, making email a prime target for cybercriminals. Impress IT Solutions Email. Security solutions make even the sneakiest phishing attempt look amateur. Anti-phishing detection scans emails for suspicious links and attachments, while spam filtering keeps your inbox clean. They also offer employee awareness programs to teach your team how to spot phishing emails. The cloud is everywhere these days, and for good reason. It's convenient and scalable. Impress IT Solutions understands that cloud security is not one size fits all. They implement tailor-made solutions from SaaS security posture management to data encryption and access management. Think of it like putting your data in a vault, but with you holding the key. Let's be real, passwords are a pain. Impress IT Solutions offers multi-factor authentication, MFA. It's like having a security guard who checks your ID, makes you do a secret handshake, and answers a security question. Their access control ensures only authorized personnel access sensitive data. It's like giving your employees keys to the office, but each key only unlocks the doors they need. Imagine you're working on a crucial project and disaster strikes. Your computer crashes. With Impress IT Solutions, you don't have to panic. They offer comprehensive backup and disaster recovery solutions. Automated data backups and rapid recovery solutions get you back up and running in no time. It's like having a time machine for your data. Even if something goes wrong, you can just rewind. Managing security for your business can feel like herding cats. That's where CM comes in. CM collects and analyzes data from all your security tools, looking for signs of suspicious activity. If it detects something fishy, it sends out real-time alerts so you can take action. It's like having a team of security analysts working around the clock to keep your business safe. Compliance isn't just about following rules. It's about protecting your business and your customers. Impress IT Solutions makes compliance painless with customizable frameworks and continuous auditing. Automated compliance reporting ensures you're always meeting the latest standards. It's like having a dedicated compliance team on call 24/7. Technology is only as strong as the people using it. One wrong click can compromise your entire system. Impress IT Solutions offers engaging training programs that teach your employees how to stay safe online. Hands-on phishing simulations and regular security updates keep everyone informed. They're turning your employees into a human firewall, making them an active part of your security strategy. So, there you have it, folks. The Impress IT Solutions Security Stack, the ultimate cybersecurity toolbox. From endpoint protection to network security, email security, cloud security, MFA, data backup, CIEM, compliance management, and employee training, they've got all the bases covered. Remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Secure your business with Impressity Solutions. Head over to their website or give them a call today to learn more. Stay safe out there in the digital world.